Okay, so we're on the bus to Palanga right now, and Claire's trying to sleep, Charlotte's reading, and everybody else is just sitting on the bus, talking, sleeping, reading, mostly sleeping or talking. Yeah, it's a really great view though. See out the windows. We should be there pretty soon, and we're gonna get some in the Baltic Sea. Yay! Claire's kind of tired.
Yep.
We went to Transformers last night and didn't get back until 12.
Robots in disguise.
It's really cool because the movie was in English, but the captions were in Lithuanian. Okay, well, we're gonna go.